the lesson Nina and the Baby Sparrows from NCERT Marigold Textbook Standard 3rd. Children, in this video I will cover the explanation of the lesson and also new words. Nina and the Baby Sparrows. Before start this lesson, children, you all have to give me answer of my question. So my question is, would you like to go to wedding? Yes, I know you like to go to wedding and your answer will be yes because the atmosphere of the wedding usually happiness, reunion of family and yes, shopping. But in this lesson, the girl Nina doesn't want to go for wedding. Let's see what's bothering her. So see in the lesson. There was a great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. So children, I will explain you. Here Nina along with her family, including her mother, father and little brother. Her family is going to attend her aunt's wedding in Delhi. All of them are happy, but Nina is unhappy. So see in the next line, her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Children, see in 3 lines, her mother takes her to the market. Why? Because she may buy a new dress for a wedding. Similarly, we all buy new clothes and enjoy a lot. But Nina is not happy about their visit to Delhi. Salwar kameez then? Her mother asked her about salwar kameez. Nina shook her head. Children, she shook her head shook means refuses. As you all do, if you don't want and somebody asking you, then you shook your head. In the same way, Nina refused for salwar kameez. Now see in the next line. What about those lovely white shoes you showed last week? Her mother reminds her. White shoes, which she showed last week. Now see in the next line. Is Nina ready for that? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. But Nina again refused. She said no for everything. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Children, Nina's behavior upsets her mother also. She also gets sad and says nothing to Nina. And they both go home and have their lunch. After lunch, Nina's mother asks reason to her for her sadness. Children, before we go ahead, please observe this picture for a few seconds. Children, here in this picture, a girl. You can see here a girl. She is Nina and this is her mother. You can also imagine about this place. Yes, This is a picture of marketplace. You can see Nina has tears on her face, which shows she is unhappy. Children, now the question arises, she is in a market and still unhappy? But why? Let's find in the next portion of the lesson. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. So children, see here, Nina replies to her mother. She says she don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Her mother surprises and asks her for reason. Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Children, you can see here Nina is very disturbed. She said nothing and begins to cry. So her mother gets more worried. She again asks her the reason for this. Now her mother takes her in her arms and calls Nina her pet. Her pet means a loved one. She says and understands Nina what's bothering her and why she doesn't tell her. More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. After this, children, Nina tells to her mother about the two baby sparrows in her room on the bookshelf. Children, now see in this picture, you can see here the sparrow's nest and also two baby sparrows in it. Nina seems very upset and sad in this picture. Now see in the next line. I see, said mother. It means children. Now her mother has an idea for refusing of Nina. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep cheep, asking for food. Children, here Nina tells her mother about her worries. For whom? Yes, for baby sparrows, because they growing up and they cry for food and feel hungry. I see, said mother. Now her mother aware of Nina's confusions and sadness. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? So children, Nina thinks that after she will go for wedding, there will be no space for Papa and Mama sparrows to come in the room for feed their babies. Oh Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Now her mother comes to know the real reason for her sadness. So mother tells to Nina, they will leave the window open for Papa and Mama sparrows. Oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Children, now you can understand. Nina is happy and asks her mother, can we do this? Because she finds her confusions will stop now. Now see in the next line. Yes, yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Mother replies and says they remove all her things from the room. She suggests Nina for perfect safe and Papa and Mama sparrows will come and go freely. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? So, children, her mother explains while she enjoys herself at the wedding. At this time, the baby sparrows also will be growing and appearing so nice and fat. It was a good idea when Nina came back from the wedding. There were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room, and wasn't Nina thrilled? So when Nina came back from the wedding, she saw two plump little sparrows. That means she saw two fatty sparrows flying all over her room, here and there. And Nina was so excited to see those two baby sparrows who have now started flying also. Children, in this picture, you can see two fatty little sparrows and they are flying here and there. Nina seems very happy and excited also. Children, have you understood this lesson? Now I am telling you a summary of this lesson so that you can understand this lesson properly. So listen it carefully. Here a girl named Nina, and there was a great joy in Nina's house. Nina's family was going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone is happy except Nina. She didn't want to go, her mother. And her mother asked why she was not want to go with them. Then Nina replied, there was a sparrow's nest on her bookshelf, and there were two baby sparrows in it. If they went to attend the marriage, the whole place would be locked. In that situation, Papa and Mama Sparrow would not feed their babies. Mother then told little Nina that they would leave the window open so that Papa and Mama Sparrow would easily make their entry to feed their baby sparrows. Nina then felt relaxed and became ready to go with her family. When she came back, she was happy to see two fat little sparrows flying all over the room. Children, this story is written by Pratibha Nath. She is a writer of books for children. She has wide variety of interest, foremost among them being nature, music and gardening. First word is market. Market means a place with shops selling things. Second, bother. Bother means worry. Now next one, problem. Problem means a situation that is difficult to deal with. Next one, dress. Dress means a piece of woman's clothing that is made in one piece. Next one, upset. Upset means unhappy. Remove. Remove means take away. Wedding. Wedding means get married. Next one, lovely. Lovely means beautiful. And last one, plump. Plump means fat and round. Children, I hope you all understand this lesson carefully. Then I will explain exercise of this lesson in my next video. If you want to watch it, I give the link in the description box. Furthermore, if you wish to watch exercise in Hindi language, then search in our channel's Hindi playlist. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, then like and share it. If you have already subscribed our channel, thank you so much for that. Still you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe it right now so that quickly you will get notification of our new videos. Your valuable suggestions are welcome in our comment box. Thanks for watching.